Have you ever wondered why you feel an intense sense of pride when your favorite sports team wins? Or why you might feel a deep sense of connection with people from your hometown, even if you've never met them before? These are all manifestations of a concept deeply ingrained in our psychology: social identity theory. This theory, which is a cornerstone of social psychology, dates back to the 1970s. It emerged from research on the minimal group paradigm, a concept that suggested a simple categorization into groups is enough to trigger discriminatory behavior. This was a groundbreaking insight that led to the development of a theory that has since held sway in understanding the dynamics of intergroup relations. The social identity theory was initially developed as a complement to the realistic group conflict theory, which offered a more behavioral or instrumental explanation for intergroup relations. The social identity theory took this a step further, intertwining cognition and motivation to explain social psychology and behavior between social groups. At the heart of this theory is the process of social categorization, a cognitive process where individuals sort themselves into various social groups. This, in turn, forms the basis of an individual's social identity. The theory also posits that individuals seek to enhance their self-esteem by aligning with specific social groups, and this self-esteem is boosted only when one's own group is perceived as superior to others. This inevitably leads to intergroup conflict, as each social group differentiates itself from others, often resulting in prejudice and discrimination. The social identity theory came into prominence around the same time as early research in social cognition, which emphasized the role of information processing in social interactions. Over time, this field has evolved to consider a range of cognitive factors influencing social interactions, including emotion, thinking, decision-making, and cognitive biases. The crowning glory of social identity theory is that it was the first theory to offer a proper resolution to the relationship between the individual and the group. It provided a framework that helps us understand why we identify so strongly with certain groups and why us versus them dynamics play such a significant role in our social interactions. To recap, social identity theory is a crucial concept that helps us understand why we feel a sense of belonging to certain groups. It emerged from the research on the minimal group paradigm in the 1970s and evolved to explain intergroup relations by interweaving cognition and motivation. Central to the theory is the idea of social categorization and the pursuit of self-esteem through group identification. It also sheds light on intergroup conflict and the inevitable us versus them dynamics that arise in social interactions. Remember, understanding our social identities is key to understanding ourselves and the complex social world we navigate every day.